Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Doogee X95. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones and install completely free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, tap on I agree. Then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of Doogee. Also on X95, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. Over here, select all of those categories at the top. In them, click on those type of dots to choose all of your files from this category. You can also just tap on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. Now tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom in order to continue. Finally, click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan the QR code, you need to select scanning icon located above User Guide on Doogee. Then choose Allow in the pop-up to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at the goat. If you wish to input this key though, you need to click on Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!